Hi guys, for those of you new to our channel and our videos, welcome. For those of you that have been around, welcome back. In this video, it's going to show you a repair we did in Virginia Beach on a very high water table. Now, on top of showing you how we did this pool repair in the video, I also wanted to take the time to address a couple things that I've been hearing from customers in regards to pool repairs. Now, this pool had a crack that went from about the shallow end down to the deep end of the pool, and it humped up about 6 to 10 inches. Now, when there's a hump in the floor, the only way to get that to lay flat again is to cut out that area where the hump is to repair the pool properly. Now, what I've been hearing is a lot of people will try to fiberglass over the crack without dealing with the hump. And what happens is the minute you fill that pool back up with water, all that pressure is going to push on that hump, and that void that is underneath, it's going to crack again and negate everything you just did. Now, once you have the area cut and the floor flat again, you can now begin to lay your fiberglass matting down. Now, another thing is not all fiberglass matting is created equal. There is bi and triaxle, woven, chopped, and along with different thicknesses or ounces is how fiberglass matting comes. Now, when we do the repair, we do 3 layers of our 36-ounce matting. So by the time the repair is done, it's almost 1/4 of an inch thick. Now, what I'm hearing a lot is other people are using 1 to 7 ounce thickness fiberglass matting. This is going to be like paper thin, and you're going to have to do tons of different layers to get the strength. The fiberglass matting is where you get the structural strength and integrity in the repair that you're doing, not from the resins or any top coat that you use. Something else I wanted to mention real quick too was about the resins used to soak the fiberglass matting. Just because a product says it's waterproof does not mean it was designed to be submerged underwater 24/7. So it's very important, whether you're doing the repair yourself or you're having someone else do it, that you know the type of products and materials that they are using. Now, once you've soaked your fiberglass matting and it has had time to cure and harden, you're going to want to grind that whole repair area along with whatever surface you are planning on coating. Now, the prep work is so crucially important on this step. If you don't get the surface properly prepared, whatever coating you apply to the surface will not adhere properly. I get calls and see pictures so many times of coatings that were just placed on a pool and they're chipping or flaking or bubbling off because they were not prepped properly prior to putting the coating on the surface. Having a crack in your fiberglass pool is already stressful enough, so it's very important, like I've said in previous videos, to do your research. Ask for references. See how long they've been doing this and been in business. And as always, please, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We would be more than happy to help you out in any way we can. I hope this video gave you a little bit more insight into maybe some things you didn't know before watching. And don't forget to like and follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to keep up to date on new projects that we are doing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a very blessed day.